Hi, my name is Estelle. I'm going to show you how to cook ghee. It's part of the EPIC program and it is to boost your immunity. What is ghee? Ghee is only the fat and we took off the lactose and the proteins. And it's very useful because you can keep it in your room, in your kitchen at room temperature. This one was cooked 2 weeks ago and I'll show you how it looks like, and it's still very tasty and has a good flavor. You can use it on bread, on a slice of bread, or you can cook your vegetables, a dal or anything with it, because it can be cooked with high temperature, or you can have it with honey in the morning to boost your immunity. And now I'm going to show you all the ingredients and utensils. You need a block of butter, organic good quality butter, because otherwise the others have too much water or too many chemicals and it can burn while cooking and it has a very bad taste. You have the pan, you need a soup spoon, you need a plate, a storage container and a filter. And the most important, you need to have good thoughts, very good positive thoughts. Even in Ayurveda, in the Indian medicine, they advise to chant mantra or to play songs of mantra to have good energy in the ghee. Okay, the first step is to take the butter and put it in the pan and heat up at low temperature. And you leave it like this until it is melted and that the foam comes. You don't stir it, you avoid it. So the second step is to skim off the foam. It's almost melted. So regularly you take off the foam like this and you put it in the plate. In fact, it is bubbling, but it's not boiling. It needs to keep bubbling, because if it's boiling, you burn your ghee. In fact, I don't see if you can notice it, but in the bottom you have all the impurities of the ghee. In the middle you have the ghee, and on the top you have the foam. I almost finished to skim off the foam, and you can hear and see that it's not bubbling anymore. So I'm going to stop the heat and to leave it like this for a few minutes to get all the impurities in the bottom, and to filter and put it in the storage container. So the next step and the last step is to filter the ghee, to remove all the impurities, and you can notice that the ghee is brownish compared to this one. When it cools down, it is yellow. See? It is very easy. It only took me 15 to 20 minutes. And it's very effective to boost your immunity. So you can do it.